It's feeding himself already. Alright, so this is this new pillow that we just found, where you put the bottle inside. Our baby is only 4 weeks old, and I am very surprised with the fact that he is actually drinking by himself, and he's facing himself because of the angle. So there's this little pad underneath that he gets to rest his head, and in my opinion, you want to make sure to keep the baby upright. You don't want him to have flat on the back like they advertise in the pictures, because obviously, like, think of yourself. Would you want to drink when you're completely flat on your back? No, it's not comfortable. You want to lift yourself up to make sure that all those gases don't develop. But yeah, pretty satisfied. This is like a elastic rubber, so it keeps the bottle, and then you can move it up and down, and this kind of bends. But this is a pretty good self-feeding. You definitely want to keep an eye on him, of course, because if he pauses or something, see, there's little leaks in there. You want to maybe just pull it away a little bit, but I am definitely happy, and it seems to be working, and he's not going super quick either. Just noticed that the last 15 ml from this bottle, it was too difficult to have him suck out because that was going on his nose. So you can see that the last couple of drips you're gonna have to manually finish, but you can keep the pillow under his neck, and it makes him a little more comfortable. It forces him to actually latch on and suck at will, because it kind of pulls it backwards, so he's also able to take breaks. See how well this device works on imitating the breast.